Hello friends, welcome back to Shobha's Food Mazaa, where you get to see simple home style cooking. My recipes are usually very easy with less spices and perfect for everyday cooking. So today I'm going to share a simple recipe of carrot and radish fingers with pickled flavor. So these are good to serve with your drinks also as a snack or accompaniment with your thali meals because they are a combination of salad and pickle together. So shall we proceed? Here I have taken radish and carrots, peeled them and cut them into long fingers about 3 inches long and thick like this. Same way you cut the carrots also. Little bit of oil about 2 tablespoons, then Punjabi pickle about 3 tablespoons or as needed. Little bit of salt. Actually the pickle has enough salt, but if you want to use it, sprinkle it just before serving or else the veggies will become soggy. Now in a pan, we'll first heat little oil. We'll do both of them separately, carrots and radishes. Little oil is sufficient, less than 1 tablespoon actually. Add the pickle as required. I've taken about 1 tablespoon of it. Now mash it very well. Mash the pieces as much as you can. Punjabi pickle tastes the best in this. I've tried with other pickles also, but this one is the best because of mustard oil, saunf, and it's not too spicy also. Now add the carrot fingers and give it a stir until all the flavors are coated on the carrots. Pickle flavors are infused into them. Do not overcook because we need the veggies to be crunchy, so just toss them a bit and that's it, they are done. Do not add salt now at this stage. If you require, you can add it while serving. I actually don't add because the pickle, as I said, contains enough salt already. Remove them in a plate. Now repeat the same with the radishes. Mash the pickle. This tiny masher is quite handy. If you don't have this, you can use fork instead. These pickled veggies really taste very good, crunchy and nice. They make a very quick snack, easy snack to serve with drinks. Or even you can serve it on the side with your meals. Add the radish pieces and stir them. Saute them little until they get nicely coated. Such quick and tasty bites are always welcome. Lovely to eat at times when you are hungry. You can also roll them in a paratha and enjoy. It really tastes very good. Now this is also almost done. Remove in a plate. Let's do the tasting now. So crunchy and delicious with the pickle flavor. Let's check out the carrot now. Awesome! You heard the crunchiness, how crunchy they are. So friends, do give it a try and let me know if you like them. I'm sure they'll be a big hit if you serve them in a party too. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.